Good afternoon, peeps. I got a friend, she asked me to talk about setup. So here I am talking about setup. Setup as in one word, two words with an hyphen, two words no hyphen. There is a difference. Setup as in one word, S-E-T-U-P, and setup with an hyphen, S-E-T-U-P. Both those forms are nouns, all right? So I have a beautiful setup in my office, just the same as I would say I have a beautiful dog in my office. That's the noun, okay? One word or two words with an hyphen. Now, the British, they prefer the hyphen, S-E-T-U-P, and generally, North American prefer one word, S-E-T-U-P. Now, set up as in two words, no hyphen, that's the verb. So, I am setting up my office. I'm doing something. I'm making it the way I want it to be. Or, I set up my office just the way I wanted it, right? So, it's a verb, two words. You can actually jam something in between. So, I set something up. Right? See what I did? Okay. Anyways, you got it, right? Just remember that. One word or two words with an hyphen, it's a noun. You use it like you would use any other noun. Two words, no hyphen, it's the verb. Use it like a verb. That's it. Now go have fun. It's a beautiful day. It's sunny out. Get out and enjoy the beautiful river valley. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.